Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from PBL 203 with the project title is Sport Scanner Application. The project manager is Mr. Aldi Rija Pramada and I'm Zaidan Zaki Agarifki, the team leader with the members Marionda Bintang Tenggara, Wedara Agustin, Kusuma Adiputra, Hardiansyah, and Irvin Valdano. Our project is an application-based GUI port scanner that functions to scan open and close ports. We developed the application using the GNS3 network simulation and data structure algorithm. The goals of this project is to create a user-friendly graphical interface or GUI application for port scanning that accurately scans and reports the status of ports on a server. The function of the project are a port scanner is a network vulnerability scanning tool that identifies open ports that may serve as attack entry points. Regarding network security, the status of open ports alerts administrators to potential vulnerabilities. Putra will present further.
Some of the main features of our application are that it can perform scanning. With IP range, can select scanning on command port via checkbox, can identify open and closed port, and scan result will be displayed in the GUI. How does a sport scanner work? This is an illustration of how our application work developed. There is a server which is the target. The router is the link between server and client, as well as there are client. The client make a scan request to the server via the router, and the server will provide a response back to the client. Next will be delivered by Marionda.
Okay, in developing the port scanner application, there are three relevant cores to our project. Firstly, we applied lists and tuples to our code and GUI regarding data structure. Secondly, computer networking utilizing GNS3, configuration topologies, and the output of scan like TCP or UDP are highly relevant to this course. Thirdly, or the last one, operating system, we utilize virtualization environments such as VirtualBox and Ubuntu to run our application. In data structures, we use of list with append method, uses of tuples. In network computer, we use network topology, network configuration like IP address, subnetting, and gateway. And in operating system, we installation of GNS3 VM, installation of Ubuntu, Cisco router, and Metasploitable 2. Here is the program of our code in data structure. The program code of our application wrote in data structures intelligence several tech intermodule, including socket for network communication, Python interface access and path manipulation, trading for managing parallel execution threads, time of persist, time measure and control, file dialog for GUI file management, talk standard dialog, and PIL or Python image library for advanced image manipulation tasks such as realizing and applying effect. Additionally, the code employs list method like append and utilize tuples. Exploit in functions such as send-to. Next slide will presentation by Wedara.
The relevance of the computer network cores to this project is demonstrated by creating a topology with a server Metasploitable 2 with 2048 megabytes of RAM and 1 CPU. For client, we use Ubuntu 20.04 with 2048 megabytes of RAM and 1 CPU, and a Cisco C7200 router with 512 megabytes of RAM. I configured addresses, subnetting, and gateways for the setup. Furthermore, for the operating system, we use Ubuntu 20.04 to run our port scanner application. Next up for presentation is Zaidan Zaki.
In developing the application, we use Python as the programming language and TK-Inter and custom TK-Inter as our GUI frameworks. For network simulation, we use GNS3 with a topology of Ubuntu 20.04, router Cisco C7200, and Metasploitable 2 as the server. Wedara will explain the project output in the presentation.
The final output of our project is an application running on Ubuntu. This application utilizes the range IP port feature to scan specific IP range and display scanning activity through our server using TCP dump. Additionally, we provide a well-known port feature that scans commonly used ports. Next up for presentation is Abdiansyah.
The project tasks were divided into three-part: programming, which was responsible for building the application front-end and back-end, and creating the GUI, GNS3, which handled the GNS3, build the topology, and run the application, and documentation, which was responsible for documenting. The challenge we faced during the project are limited knowledge or lack of experience in using GNS3 hardware, inadequate hardware resource, communication, limited time for team gathering to complete the project. Irvin will present next.
This is the logbook history of the project completion. The completion progress is at 100% marked by the successful scanning of the GNS3 environment.
That's the end of the explanation presentation regarding our PBL project entitled Port Scanner Analysis, and thank you.